This is Macau Institute of Polytech, Macau Polytechnic Institute. So they also have some university classes here, and this is and they pay pretty well too for teachers. This is part of the courtyard. It's like that. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. It's like that. And this is kind of the overall area across from Million Dragon Hotel and another hotel, Waldo Casino Hotel. Pretty nice little building though. Oops. Looks like this. I'd like to film in there, but they have some security guards, and I don't know, I'm not an employee there, so I don't think I can legally go in and just walk around with the camera, although I would love to do that. So instead we're just going to say goodbye to Macau Polytechnic University. And we're just going to keep walking down this way. And I'm going to film this right here. So this is MPI, Macau Polytechnic Institute. So this whole building is part of it too. So this is a nice conclusion for this one. So we just kind of went over on that side, but this is where the bookstore is at. So so we'll finish in the spot right there, MPI, Macau Polytechnic Institute. And actually we were able to go through the bookstore, and I was able to film on this side too. So just kind of show it. It's really nice inside. It's really nice inside, but this is inside the so it's really beautiful. Take a look around, all the way around, and a nice little courtyard with nice chairs, lockers. So I'm just going to take a look at this one too. That looks really nice, and a beautiful fountain right there too. So I think we're going to conclude this one. Yes, it's Macau Polytech. This is from the inside. So a really nice space. Okay, so that's the inside courtyard that we were just at, and this is the basketball court, apartments into the side, another entrance. So yeah, really beautiful campus. Chiquinha, chiquinha.